Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve part first of question number second for exercise 3.6. In this question you have to form the pair of linear equation of these following problem and after that you have to solve them. So the question says Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find her speed for rowing in still water and speed of the current. Means you have to find the speed of Ritu and you have to find the speed of the current. Means the speed of the water and the speed at which the water is flowing. So let the speed of Ritu in still water be equals to x km per hour and the speed of current be equals to y km per hour. We know that if we are, let's say this is a stream coming from the hills, and if we are traveling upstream, so obviously our speed should be less because we are going upstream and water is coming down. So our speed should be less. So the speed upstream should be less. So that should be x minus y km per hour. And clearly, if I am coming downstream, means I am coming with the flow of water. So obviously my speed should be more. So coming downstream, the speed downstream should be equals to x plus y km per hour. We know the speed is this much. Now we know the formula as distance is equals to speed into time. And in the first question it says that Rita rowed downstream 20 km, means the distance she covers is 20 km, which should be equals to speed. This is when she is traveling downstream. So downstream our speed is this. So speed should be x plus y and the time she takes is equals to 2 hours. So this should be multiplied with 2. This can be cancelled out 10 times. So x plus y here is 10. So this is our first equation. Similarly, in the second case it is given that and when she travel upstream 4 km in 2 hours. In this case she is traveling 4 km. So the distance must be 4 and the speed when traveling upstream is x minus y. And the time she takes to row upstream is 2 hours. So these two values must be equal. Now you can solve further. So the value of x minus y here is 2. So this is our second equation. Now we have our two equations. Now we have to solve them. The first equation says it is x plus y equals to 10 and the second equation says x minus y equals to 2. You can solve this equation by equating the coefficient, or you can say after eliminating the variable. Because here the values are opposite and the coefficients are equal, these two values are eliminated when these two equations are added. And this added with this, so x plus x is 2x and this is 12. So the value of x must be 6. This can be cancelled 6 times. The value of x here is 6. So the speed of Ritu should be equal to 6 km per hour. Now you can substitute this value in any of these equations so that you would be able to find the value of y. So let's substitute this in first equation. So this is 6 plus y equals to 10. So the value of y must be equals to 10 minus 6, which is 4. So here the value of the speed of the current should be equals to 4 km per hour. So this is how you can solve this particular equation. Thank you.